rep starts. Because I mean, I've talked about this with soccer coaches, sports performance coaches. As soon as there's a line, especially if you have kids 8th grade and below, they're gonna just start like, I don't know, doing somersaults and throwing the ball at each other. Or like,
Yeah. Yeah.
literally, you will turn around and just see something you've never seen before, and you're just like, okay,
Yep.
all right. Um,
Yeah. It can be rough. Yeah.
yeah. So I mean, that's, and from the parents' perspective too, that's something they appreciate a lot. Is like, oh, the kids are always moving. They got a great workout in, which
Mm.
is that the point to get them super tired and everything? Sometimes maybe, but from the parent perspective, they see their kids tired and they're moving and everything, and because you
Yeah.
see, like, I'm sure you get this a lot. Do you get pushback at all because of, you do mainly groups now, right? Yeah. Do you ever get pushback at all? Like, oh, we have to do private sessions.